In this episode, I'm going to show you how to drop a Allen wrench into these holders right here. So let's grab a wrench. Alright. So one of the things you're going to want to do is right under here where it says axis, you're going to want to go through center of circle. So then, like for example, once I click on that, you can see that yellow line pops up. And you can do this for all of them just right away. So I'm going to do it for these two, since these, I have this one for the small one and this one for the big one. Alright, then we're going to create an axis going through here, because if I go here and I try to do this hole constraint, you can see I can click on that, but we don't have a circle on the bottom here. So I'm going to show you a little trick that actually one of my students just taught me. So first, if we open this up, I don't need this work plane turned on anymore, so I'm going to turn that off. Right click on that, turn off the visibility. Now I'm going to click on the bottom and I want to start a sketch, project geometry, and grab a point. And then I want that point to be right in the middle, and you can see those dotted lines help. Then I can start an axis if I grab this and I go through parallel to line through a point. So there's a line, there's a point, goes right through the middle. Hit that save button, go back to your assembly. Before we do anything, we want to right click and ground our home base there. Then I'm going to go to constraint and I'm going to click on this axis that we just did, this axis that we just made. You can see it snaps into place, and it might be a little low, so let's lift it up a little bit. And there you go, you can place it right in there. One thing to, if you want to add another constraint to it, you can add another make constraint and say, alright, let's click on the bottom of that, and let's zoom in there and get that bottom of the hole. And it's in there, and it's holding. So all of them are going to be the same. You can do this for all of the other Allen wrenches by creating axis through these holes and then axis through these Allen wrenches. Make sure you show your teacher when you're done. Good job. Oh, and don't forget to save your work.